Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for February the 9th, 2023. AstraZeneca's profit beat forecast on low sales. AstraZeneca on Thursday beat fourth quarter profit expectations despite lower than expected sales on its top selling cancer and rare blood disease drugs, as well as lower sales of its COVID-19 vaccine. The company is forecasting solid profits and more modest revenue growth in 2023, and its shares were up 2.5% in early trading. The London-listed drug maker, which reports its results in US dollars, reported adjusted earnings of $1.38 per share on sales of about $11.12 billion. Analysts had forecast $1.34 per share on sales of about $11.3 billion, according to a consensus estimate compiled by the company. Sales of its best-selling cancer drugs, Tagrisso, Imfinzi, and Lynparza, were $1.34 billion, $752 million, and $689 million, respectively, in the quarter. Cowen's analysts had expected these three drugs to bring in higher figures. Other key drugs, including rare blood disease drugs Soliris and Ultomiris, which were acquired for $39 billion in 2021 through the Alexion acquisition, brought in revenues of $844 million and $593 million, below Cowen's forecasts. ATM operator CoinCloud files for bankruptcy. CoinCloud, a cryptocurrency operator, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in a U.S. court in Las Vegas on 7th of February. After significant losses over the past 2 years, the company announced its intention to obtain new financing or sell the business. The company joins a growing list of cryptocurrency firms that have collapsed during the ongoing market downturn. According to the statement, the company has between $50 million and $100 million in assets, between $100 million and $500 million in liabilities, and between 5,000 and 10,000 creditors. In terms of claims, Genesis Global Trading is the largest creditor. The company currently has an unsecured claim for Genesis for more than $108 million, far surpassing the next largest claim, that of Kepro, a sheet metal engineering and manufacturing company, which is owned more than $8 million. CoinCloud's official website says the company has more than 5,000 CoinCloud ATMs installed in 47 different states in the US and Brazil. The ATMs support the purchase and sale of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and 40 other tokens via cash or card. Oil prices stable on Chinese demand, US reserves. Oil prices were broadly stable on Thursday as the prospect of rising fuel demand in China, which is reopened following the COVID restrictions, was offset by fears that U.S. crude inventories, which have reached their highest level in months, could signal weaker demand in the world's top economy. Brent crude futures rose 1 cent to $85.10 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures fell 3 cents to $78.44 a barrel. Both benchmarks rose more than 6% this week. U.S. crude inventories rose last week to their highest level since June 2021, helped by increased production, the Energy Information Administration said on Wednesday. U.S. gasoline and distillate stocks also rose last week as demand remained weak. Federal Reserve officials said on Wednesday that an interest rate hike was around the corner as the U.S. Central Bank continued its efforts to reduce inflation, although none of them were prepared to speculate that a hot January jobs report might push them towards a more aggressive stance on monetary policy.